How to download Facebook Messenger chat conversation. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to download Facebook Messenger chat conversation, you need to launch Facebook app for Civil. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Now, scroll down, choose Settings and Privacy option, and select Settings. Head towards See More in Account Center at top of the screen. Scroll down. Select Your Informations and Permissions under Account Settings. Now select Download Your Information option. Select Download or Transfer Information at top of the screen. Now here are available information or specific types of information. Since we are here to download Facebook Messenger chat conversation, select specific types of information. Now you will have to choose Messages and tap on the Next button. Select Download to Device or Transfer to Destination, and then you will be required to select your email and date range, and after that tap Create Files. Once done, the information will be prepared for downloading, and once it will be ready for uh, accessing the information, you'll be notified through your email address. So that is how we download Facebook Messenger chat conversation. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.